Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is a really amazing time right now because there is a bundle on our website. It is the full collection of the unicorns. So if you're in the Stamp and Die Hard Club, you're getting the club sets, right? But I can never stop with that. This is the whole collection. So I'm going to run through them quick, but I want you to go watch the other video. But before you even go watch the other video that shows all the awesome samples, go get it before it sells out, because the bundle saves you even more. More than the flash sale, more than just the club price. You get all those discounts added together for one amazing price. So here we go. Boom. Unicorn Sparkles More. You're getting the extra stamp set. So this is the club set. Club set's on top. This is the add-on, right? Then, of course, you're getting the dies that match. Then you are getting the unicorn sayings, woohoo, because we need those. And there's a lot of good poems on here for the inside of your cards. And this amazing magical background. I love this. And when you go see the samples, you're going to say, oh my goodness, I have to have that because it's amazing. Last but not least, and probably the most important, by far, are the 3 stencils that go with the stamped images from both sets. Now, let me tell you how important this is. If you don't like to color, or you don't like to take the time to color, using your brushes and stencils are game changers. Game changers. Let me just tell you. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Club members, go get that bundle ASAP because you save even more. I'll see you there, stampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.